You know my name? What's my real name? Cool. What's that?
Done.
What's all that stuff? What's this?
This mom says she asked me
We make a deal, but we forget Jack White.
Yes, Ba. Well, Chase. It's those,
Horrible.
the bread, the long bread. Yeah. The fried bread, yeah. Mm-hmm.
You excited to open your presents? Yeah? You want to shake one up?
Are you sure you got a present?
I got some right here.
Really? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure there's a present with your name on there? I bet it's...
No, thank you. You know my real name is
Your real name is Chase.
Chase Cerner now.
Chase Cerner.
Chase Cerner. Chase Cerner.
Chase didn't get any Christmas presents.
Chase, do you know your middle name?
Yeah.
Charles.
No, Chase. My middle name is Chase.
Your first name is Chase. Here, Chase, smile. Give me a big smile. Hollywood smile.
What are you watching, Mom?
Her Ethan stuff.
This is crazy.
There's a commercial.